whole idea of these videos is to give you either a tip or a trick each week, just one, and keep it sort of bite-sized. This week I'm going to show you how I propagate seeds. The great thing about purchasing seeds is that you've got a greater variety, gives you some diversity, the ability to have independence. By that I mean is creating a variety of plants that are suited to your own back garden. If you purchase open pollinated seeds, it means that you can save them for the following season, and the more that you save them, the more that you're actually creating a seed or a plant that is suited to your own environment. That's what I'm going to show you this week. Let's make some room up here. I'm running out of space. It's the problem. It's a busy time of year for propagating. They're my seedlings. They need watering probably either once a day, possibly twice a day, with it now starting to get warmer. What I do to check is I just put my finger on top of the soil. Now, if it doesn't stick to your finger, it has here slightly, it means that it needs water. But if it's really damp, put your finger on it, it sticks to your finger. So that's how you tell whether it needs some more water. Anyway, let's make some room here. Let's get organised. I might go do this on the table over there because there's a fair few to do. So let's go do that. Oh, I so feel like a chef tidying up here. Heap of pots in here. Just going to reuse all these seedling trays. Should wash them first. Okay, wash those. I think I washed half myself at the same time. As I've mentioned before, a summer garden is made in winter. Now it's the end of winter here. The reason I chose seeds is that I've got variety that I possibly would not be able to buy at my local nursery. I've bought some seed raising mix, okay? Now, you could make it yourself. Nobody got time for that. You could make it yourself, but the thing is, if you make it yourself, you need the ingredients anyway, and I don't have a huge amount of space, and I'm not doing heaps of it, but I would put 2 parts potting mix, 2 parts compost, 1 part sand, and 1 part worm casting is a good homemade seed raising mix. But it's just as easy to purchase some from your local nursery, and it's reasonably cheap and inexpensive. Little trick for you, on most of these bags, both potting mix and seed raising mix, I'll have little holes, perforated holes at one end. It's mainly to make the bag breathe a little bit. It's down this end here. The beauty of that is if you can actually use those holes to open up the bag. Now, let's start. Just going to place that. Give them a tap. This helps to settle them. One. Just push them in like so. 1, 2, 3. 4. Got 8 cells here, so I'll have 8 plants. Now I hope you find that information useful, and if you want to find out more info on how to grow food at home, you can go and do my online course. Just go to veggiepatschool.com. Yeah, I hope you're in the garden. I hope that you're having a great day, and remember, stay hungry.